In this video, I'll be showing you how to properly set up and use edge panels on your Samsung device. Okay, so this is my Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7. So all you want to do is just go to your settings, and you want to go type in edge panels. Scroll down here, click on it. So a lot of people may not use edge panel, but I use edge panels, and I use it for one specific purpose only. But in this video, I'm going to show you how to set it up and use everything. So if you don't use edge panel when you first get your Samsung device, it might not be checked. But if you want to have access to using it, you just need to hit turn it on, and then you come down here and it'll give you panels, the handle, show on, so on and so on. So we're going to go to panels. You get 6 different panels you can currently use. The panel I use the most is the people panel. So as you can see, I can have quick access to my contacts, but you can also have apps, you can have task, you can have weather, tools, or clipboard. So let's say we want to add some apps. So all you would need to do is just slide the panel out. You get your edit button down there, but you slide over to the side, and here are where you can throw some apps. You can have up to as many apps as it allows you. I think about 10 or maybe 15 apps in that panel, and you can come through here, so that way it'll make your home screen look a heck of a lot more cleaner if you don't want a lot of apps on your home screen. So you can come in here and add more apps. You can come to edit, come in here and pick what apps that you want to add to this panel here. So that is your edge panel for apps. Then you have for task. So if you want to come in here and have quick task set, you can come here. It says add dedicated event, so you can add an event there. Swipe it back out. You can do a task screenshot, video, create new content, or add an alarm. And then you can also hit edit and come here and find more shortcuts that you want to add or tasks that you want to add. Have quick access to, so you do not actually have to go inside of the app and find what you want to do. You can have access to it all right there at your fingertips. You also get your weather. So if we come over here, it'll just show you, give you quick access to your weather. If you don't want to go in and find your weather app, you just get quick access just like that. And then the last two, you have tools. So you can come cut this on and slide, and it'll show you some compass, so on and so on, if that's something that you want to do. I don't use that one. And you also have access to using clipboard. So this pretty much just put things that you have copied and paste, saves it to a clipboard. You can come here and clear them, and it goes away just like that. So you get these 6 panels that you can use. But like I said, I always love to use the quick contact panel. That way, when I want to call my family member or somebody, all I have to do is swipe that out, hit their name, easy access. And then if I want to edit it, I just hit edit, and I can add more people here. And then I also have it set to where it's locked, and it will not show anything on my lock screen. Let's go back into that. So that was panels. Now if you go down the handle, it'll come here. You can fix, do you want it on the right or the left? So if you're left-handed, you can have it come out from the left. The panel, you can have it come out from the left, as you can see. But since I am right-handed, I like to keep mine on the right. And then you also get access to the style, so you can have it match your wallpaper if you want to. You also get access to the transparency. You get how high you want it, how low transparency you want it, and you get small. So if you want it small or do you want it big, get access to that. You also get access to the width. You can come in here and change the width. That's something you want to do. You also can move it anywhere on the side of the screen. I leave it about right there in the middle. Then you also have show on. So if you come here, this lets you, it says you can show it on your main screen or cover screen, but I have it on main and cover screen. So when my main screen is on, it'll show. When my cover screen is on, it'll show. It will not show on my lock screen. And then you get your about edge panels. This just tells you some more things about your edge panels. But overall, this is how you use and set up your edge panels on your Samsung device. No matter what device it is, as long as it has access to using edge panels, you'll be able to set this up. Hope you found this video helpful, and I will catch you in the next one. I'm out.